Welcome to this introduction to Arduino. In this video, we'll delve into Arduino, the open source electronics platform. It's a mix of hardware and software accessible for all to bring ideas to life. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. The hardware part is the Arduino board, which acts as the brain of your project. The software is the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, IDE. This is where you create and upload your code. Arduino is an open source platform, opening the doors to electronics and programming for all. The Arduino board is your canvas, accommodating a range of components. Arduino's programming language stems from C or C++. But don't worry if you're a novice coder, Arduino simplifies it for you. Its versatility allows you to start with basic tasks like blinking an LED and gradually move to complex projects like advanced robotics or home automation. With Arduino, you're not just limited to common projects. You could build a weather station or a smart greenhouse. Essentially, Arduino gives you the power to any idea to life, simple or intricate. So, no matter your experience with coding, Arduino provides a learning and exploration playground. Arduino projects can range from simple LED blinking to advanced robotics and home automation systems. The possibilities are endless. In this series, we'll cover various Arduino topics. Starting with elementary electronics, we'll progressively delve into intricate concepts. We'll explore the Arduino board's operations, interfacing with sensors, managing actuators, and displays. Crucial communication protocols like I2C and SPI, vital for linking devices, are included. We'll show how to simulate Arduino projects using software like Proteus. This journey will empower you with the skills to bring your projects to life. So, if you're eager to explore Arduino, stay subscribed for future updates. Thanks for joining this Arduino introduction. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into electronics and start our first Arduino project. Stay curious, ask questions, and most importantly, have fun along the way.